Hey guys, my name is Daksh. Welcome to my channel, my rockstar son. This is GK quiz number 2. So let's start.
Okay, Daksh. So let's start with the quiz. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Is it A. Indira Gandhi, B. Narendra Modi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru or Mr. Nehru or Chacha Nehru, or is it D. Rajiv Gandhi? Yes, Daksh, tell me the answer.
Option number C, Mr. Nehru.
Very good. This is the correct answer. Mr. Nehru or Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Let's move forward. What is the capital city of India? Is it A. New Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, or D. Chennai? Yes, Daksh, tell me the answer.
A. New Delhi.
Very good. New Delhi is the correct answer. Which state is also known as the fruit bowl of India? A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Assam, D. Meghalaya. Yes, Daksh, tell me.
B. Himachal Pradesh.
Yes, Himachal Pradesh is the fruit bowl of India. You know why do we call it fruit bowl? Because from Himachal Pradesh, the maximum fruits are exported to the entire country. Okay. Who is Sachin Tendulkar? A. Indian hockey player, B. Indian cricketer, Indian kabaddi player, or Indian marathon runner? Tell me, Daksh.
B. Indian cricketer.
Yes, he is an Indian cricketer. He's a very famous cricketer. Okay. Who discovered India? A. Vasco da Gama, B. Christopher Columbus, C. James Cook, or D. William Janzoon? Yes, Daksh, tell me the answer.
A. Vasco da Gama.
Yes, correct answer. Who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? This is not Iron Man Tony Stark, okay? Not Marvel superhero. Is it A. Lal Bahadur Shastri? Is it B. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel, C. Mahatma Gandhi, or D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar?
B. Vallabhbhai Patel.
Which is the national sport of India? A. Cricket, B. Hockey, C. Kabaddi, D. Football.
B. Hockey.
B. Hockey is the correct answer. Who is the current president of India? A. Ram Nath Kovind, Pranab Mukherjee, APJ Abdul Kalam, or D. Pratibha Patil?
A. Ram Nath Kovind.
Yes, Ram Nath Kovind is the current president of India. Which place in India is also known as the land of rising sun? What does it mean? It means that in which place the sun comes first. Okay. Is it A. Sikkim, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Karnataka, or D. Gujarat? Yes, Daksh, tell me.
B. Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes, Arunachal Pradesh is the correct answer. Where is Taj Mahal located in India? A. New Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Agra, or D. Lucknow? Yes, Daksh, tell me.
C. Agra.
Yes, C. Agra is the correct option. Which festival is celebrated by Christians as the birth of Jesus Christ? A. Christmas, B. Easter, C. Diwali, or D. Eid al Fitr? What is the correct answer?
A. Christmas.
Yes, A. Christmas is the correct answer. What is known as the Festival of Lights? It is celebrated as a festival of victory of good over evil. Yes, is it A. Dashera? Is it B. Christmas? Is it C. Diwali? Or is it D. Raksha Bandhan? Yes, Daksh, tell me the answer.
C. Diwali.
Yes, C. Diwali is the correct answer. Okay, which festival is celebrated by Muslims at the end of fasting month of Ramadan? It is considered as the feast of breaking the fast. A. Eid ul Fitr, B. Holi, C. Onam, D. Navratri. Eid ul Fitr.
A.
Eid
Eid.
ul. Yes, Daksh, tell me the answer.
Eid ul Fitr.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Which Hindu festival is celebrated by sisters who tie a colorful decorative thread on the wrists of their brothers and perform puja for their long life and good health? Is it A. Diwali? Is it B. Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi? C. Holi or D. Ganesh Chaturthi? Yes, Daksh, what is the answer?
B. Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi.
Yes, Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi. Which festival is celebrated as the birth of Lord Krishna, who is considered as the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu? A. Navratri, B. Diwali, C. Janmashtami, or Mahashivratri?
C. Janmashtami.
Yes, C. Janmashtami is the correct answer. Okay, which is the festival that is celebrated as the resurrection of Jesus Christ after his crucifixion? A. Christmas, B. Easter, C. Eid al Fitr, or D. Holi? Yes, Daksh, tell me.
B. Easter.
Yes, it's B. Easter. Which festival is also popularly known as the Festival of Colors in India? This festival marks the onset of the spring season in the country. A. Diwali, B. Holi, C. Janmashtami, or D. Mahashivratri? Yes, Daksh, tell me.
B. Holi.
Yes, this is the correct answer. B. Holi. Okay. Which Islamic festival is celebrated to recognize the willingness of Ibrahim to follow Allah's command to sacrifice his son? A. Eid ul Fitr, B. Onam, C. Christmas, or D. Eid ul Adha? Yes, Daksh, tell me.
D. Eid ul Adha.
Yes, Eid ul Adha is the festival. This is the festival which marks the end of Navratri and Durga Puja in India. A. Dashera, B. Diwali, C. Holi, and D. Janmashtami. Yes, Daksh, tell me.
A. Dashera.
Yes, A. Dashera. Which festival commemorates the birth of the much loved elephant headed Hindu deity who is regarded as the remover of obstacles, Vignaharta? A. Navratri, B. Dashera, C. Janmashtami, or D. Ganesh Chaturthi?
D. Ganesh Chaturthi.
Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi is the correct answer. This is known as the Harvest Festival of Kerala, celebrated by Malayalis across the southern part of India. A. Onam, B. Pongal, C. Lohri, or D. Easter? What is the answer?
A. Onam.
Yes, A. Onam is the correct answer. Which Hindu festival is celebrated as the victory of a divine goddess over the demon king Mahishasur? Mahishasur Mardani. Which festival is celebrated for that? A. Christmas, B. Durga Puja, C. Holi, or D. Diwali? Yes, Daksh, tell me.
B. Durga Puja.
Yes, Durga Puja is the correct answer. Really nice. Okay, move on. This festival is celebrated in honor of the Hindu deity Lord Shiva, or also known as Mahadev. This festival symbolizes the overcoming of ignorance and darkness in life. A. Mahashivratri, B. Janmashtami, C. Holi, D. Ganesh Chaturthi?
A. Mahashivratri.
Yes, A. Mahashivratri is the correct answer. Which sacred festival of the Sikh community marks the birth of the first Sikh Guru? A. Guru Nanak Guru Parb, B. Vaisakhi, C. Hola Mohalla, or D. Janmashtami?
A. Guru Nanak Parv.
Yes, correct. Guru Nanak Parv. This is the harvest festival that is celebrated in Assam that marks the beginning of the Assamese New Year. A. Makar Sankranti, B. Bohag Bihu, C. Lohri, or D. Onam? Yes, Daksh, tell me.
B. Bihu.
Yes, B. Bihu or Bohag Bihu. The national currency of India is A. Rupaya, B. Yuan, C. Rupee, or D. None of the above? Yes, Daksh, tell me.
This one is the easy peasy. See, rupees.
Yes, C. Rupees. The national currency of the United States of America or USA is A. Euro, B. Dollar, C. Rand, or D. Yen? Yes, Daksh, tell me.
This one is also easy one. B. Dollar.
Yes, B. Dollar is the correct answer. Okay, what is the national currency of Russia? A. Leki, B. Ruble, C. Peso, or D. Euro?
B. Ruble.
Yes, B. Ruble is the correct answer. What is the national currency of the United Kingdom? A. Taka, B. Paisa, C. Yen, or D. Pound sterling? Yes, Daksh.
D. Pound.
Yes, pound is the correct answer. Okay, the national currency of Australia is A. Rupaya, B. Yen, C. Dollar, or D. Yuan? Yes, Daksh.
The same one, the US one. C. Dollar.
Yes, the same one as the US one. C. Dollar is the correct answer. Okay, what is the national currency of South Africa? A. Rand, B. Pound, C. Franc, or D. Dinar? Yes, Daksh.
This one is little different.
Mhm.
A. Rand.
Yes, this one is different and it is A. Rand. What is the national currency of New Zealand? A. Kwanzaa, B. Dinar, C. Pound, or D. Dollar? Yes, Daksh.
D. Dollar.
Yes, D. Dollar is the correct answer. Okay, what is the national currency of Afghanistan? A. Afghani, B. Ruble, C. Yen, or D. Dollar? Yes,
This one is very different. A. Afghani.
yes, this is one is very different. A. Afghani. What is the sound made by a dog? I believe it is very easy.
Even for a little.
Yes, is it A. Bow wow? Is it B. Meow? Is it C. Hoot hoot? Or is it D. Quack
Quack
quack?
quack.
Yes, Daksh.
A. Bow wow.
Yes, A. Bow wow. Okay. What is the sound made by a cow?
This one is also easy.
A. Moo. Is it B. Cackle? Is it C. Hoot hoot? Or is it D. Quack quack?
Quack quack. Quack quack.
Yes, Daksh.
A. Moo.
A. Moo. Absolutely right. That's all, Daksh.
Thank you guys. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Yes, hit that bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.